Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can separate the emulator in Android Studio so that the emulator runs in its own window. So if we come to Android Studio and we launch an emulator, as you can see the emulator has launched down here, but it isn't in its own window. So to make it run in its own window, we're first just going to terminate the emulator, and then we're going to come to File, then we're going to come to Settings, and then in Settings we're going to come to Tools, and we're going to expand that. And then we're going to find where it says emulator. Now we're going to click on emulator, and inside emulator we're going to uncheck the box that says launch in a tool window. And then we will click OK to that. And now when we launch an emulator, it will then run in its own window like so. So now we can have Android Studio minimized and we can have the emulator just showing on its own. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.